How to make ramen noodles. First, you need seaweed, sesame seeds, carrot, green onion, rice, cilantro, bulldog noodles, and your pot. First, fill your pot with water until it's about halfway full. Then turn your stove to 8 or higher. Now wait till your water is boiling like this. Then add your noodles to the pot. Stir till your noodles look like this. Then pour out most of the water. Now pour the noodles into the bowl. Add your amount of sauce